Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday here at Say Yes Pilates and Beyond, where I help you move more deeply and more joyfully into your body as your home, heart open, moving energy. So you can see, stool, band. We're gonna do it again in a different way. It's a little bit of around the world. So go ahead and grab your really long band. Make sure you put little loops in the end. And here we go. They act as stirrups. We take it around the pelvis. You can make it as thick as possible. Across your belly, like a little belt. Oops, make sure it's pretty even. And then go ahead, it's a little high there. Go ahead and cross on the outside. And then step in. Shoop. Step into the stirrups. You already can feel that. Press down. So last week, again, I will link that one up there. It's a bit of a gyrokinesis, gyrotonic basics. And today it's a little bit of kind of just a fun flow. So we are going to start just by sensing and feeling your feet on the ground. Ooh, feeling that wrapping, that buoyancy that the band provides. Feel your pelvis on the seat, crown of the head, just floating upward and on top. From there, let the arms dangle and tip forward, inhaling, and then tip back, exhaling. And then make the bands as comfortable as possible. Inhale. And exhale, again, sensing and feeling the tensegrity, this balanced tension supporting you, your pelvis, the musculature of your whole body, and really grounding, allowing you to feel the resistance so you can feel the opposition down into the ground. Exhaling back, inhaling forward. Tuning in. And thank you so much, allowing me to send some gratitude towards you. Thank you so much for being here. Subscribers, welcome new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday. Every other Monday, I bring you a quick tip. And again, we are in the middle of our flagship course, Align. Please join us. You get it for 6 months. You get access to our free space, the Nexus. So the incoming is my new home with Jem Burns. Check it out in the description. And there's so many other offerings there too. If you're really interested in the gyrokinesis, especially the cardiovascular breathing progression, again, that was last week and before, I have a rental for you down there. So check it out. Thanks for being here. And then go ahead and just take this into a circle. Ooh, my left leg is I can feel it needs a little extra length. So it is nice pushing down against that buoyancy, against the float. And then feel the shift from cheek to cheek, front, back, all the way around your pelvic bowl there. Foot to foot. Let your arms just hang in the hanger that is the shoulders. And then reverse. Finish one more revolution. And then I'm going to turn this way. And we're going to start with some waves. So allowing the thighs to roll open into the bands. Make sure, again, they're nice and stuck there so that you press open into that spiral. Arching and then curling as the knees gently find their way toward each other. Inhale. And exhale. Maybe, I mentioned this last time and before, maybe you feel a little bit of a shiver. Let it resonate throughout your entire body, especially the spine and pelvis. And if not, no worries. Inhale. Exhale. Just getting into the flow of it. Inning, outing. Inhale. I'm really enjoying feeling the material of my new pants. My mom got me. They're nice and smooth, so again, feel those sensations that give you pleasure as you move into more expansion through your pelvis and spine. Once more there. Again, enjoying the support of the band, that push and pull into the waistband there. Then from here, you can open the legs a little bit wider, and then we allow the ribs to shift away. It's almost like there's a magnet here. Scooping those ribs away and flex as much as you can. And then come back into center, opening up the side body. Like I said, we're going to do around the world here. So finding the eastern and western hemispheres. And then also of our brain. That's pretty cool. I just made that connection. The globe and our brain. Oh my goodness. We live in a round world. It's pretty cool. And inhale. And exhale. Scooping down through the shoulder, through the wrist, allowing the ribs to be magnetized by that opposite palm. And center. In. And X. And in. And X. And X. And enjoying the strength of the band there. In. And X once more there. Scoop in. And X, really unsticking those ribs. Fabulous. And so now we reverse the wave into a dive, starting with that cat back first, then moving to the cow. Same with the legs. We allow the legs to gently, the knees gently to come towards each other. Dive the head down. Open to create space for that pelvis to really reach. Inhaling up. Exhale. Thank you, band. Inhale for squeezing us like a tube of toothpaste. Yeah, squeezing the center, energy goes down, energy goes up. Exhale. Feel that. Ooh, almost like you're being pulled forward. And then, ooh, that reach. That's very satisfying today. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, gently pivoting on the heels. Exhale, pulling against the band, allowing the band to take you forward a bit. Inhale. And once more there, exhale. And then. So nice. Actually, take a moment just to curl and arch and curl and arch and curl and arch and curl and arch. That's where you can really feel the impact of the band. Curl and arch. Your upper body might respond. Keep it a bit in the pelvis and push your feet away and curl and arch and curl and arch. Curl and arch and curl and arch. Oof, that's nice. That's core work. All right, so here we go. So as promised, around the world. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a series of 4, 2, and 1. So we're gonna start, come with me, 4 waves. 2. Allow those legs to move with you. 3. And 4. And then we go to the side. That's around the world for me means this. Arch, side, curl, back. And of course, we're mixing, matching as well. So 4 to the side, in. In. X. One more each. In. X. In. No, we're going to do 2 more each. And in. That's the 4. Because this is a balanced one. Here we have 2 sides. In. Once more each. In. X. In. And X. Then we start with the curl, taking the spine to the back. Dive, curl. And arch. And curl. And arch. And curl. And arch. And curl. And arch. Now we have to complete that opposite side. So we start the opposite way. And side. And side. And side. And side. Again. 2 more each. I think I have my numbers correct this time. Ah, we made it around the world once. Excellent. So we'll do that 1 time in 4s. So now we're going to go ahead and do in 2s twice. So we start with waves. We'll go around the world and back. 1 wave. 2. To this side. Maybe you start the opposite way. 1 more each. Dives, curl, and arch, and curl, and arch. To the opposite side first. One more each. We made it. 2 waves again. We'll go back from whence we came. And side. And side. Scooping it out. And side. Opening up those ribs and pushing with the heels. And dives, curling. And curl. And opposite side first. Reach. Almost there, almost home. And excellent. 2s there, 2s there. So now we're going to do 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 of each, all the way around, 4 times to finish. Here we go. And we might come back to those kind of biological pumps because that was pretty awesome with the band. So thank you for discovering it with me. Here we go. 1 wave. Whatever side you want. And we're literally going to do 1 there. Now dive. And opposite side. Again, wave. Let's actually go that same direction. Side. Dive. And opposite side. Again, arch. And curl, same direction. Dive. Opposite side. Once more. Keep that inhale going. Keep that exhale going. Keep that inhale going. Ooh, take a moment. Really present that particular side. So now let's make the opposite side nice and present as well. Starting with the wave. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. In. Keep that exhale going for the dive. Keep that inhale going for the opposite side. And in. X. In. X. Keep that exhale going for the dive. Keep that inhale going for the side. 2 more cycles. In. And X. In. And X. Curl. And in. And reach. Keep that inhale reaching. Once more. In. And X. In. And X. Exhale continues. Dive. Inhale continues. Reach to the side. Come back up for a moment. And again, let's take that curl and arch. Pour your pelvic bowl. Pour it out forward. Pour it to the back. Allow that pumping breath to be a double breath. 8 more. Take a moment. That is so energizing. Just to take a spiral, unwind, wring it out. Opposite side, take an inhale. Excellent. And then, unwrap yourself. Thank you, bands. So helpful and beautiful. And then take a moment just to let the legs open, do a little improv there. Feel the freedom and also feel the resonance of the wrap and the support of the band. And then open the legs just nice and wide. Take a nice big circle all the way around. One direction and then opposite all the way around. Let your head be nice and heavy. Let your arms reach up. Take a yawn, take a few breaths. And then left hand to your heart center, right hand to your belly. Take one deep breath in, pulling it up from your feet to the sky. Thanking your body for all it does for you, and you thanking yourself for showing up. Inhale. And then exhale, come on back down. Sigh of satisfaction. For all that beautiful movement you just gave to not only your bones and your tissue, your organs and all the juices flowing. So thank you for coming. And as always, I will see you next time.